To create a superior product, it is vital that every component is made to the same rigorous standards. With its extensive research, advanced testing facilities, state-of-the-art production plant, and 60 years of valuable synergy with customers, Trinseo's TPE solutions business provides the most challenging of projects with the qualities that matter. Whatever the context, however complex the form, the material is a certainty. At Trinseo, the qualities that matter are built on fundamental principles dedicated to protecting the natural world and forming a dynamic and creative working environment. Trinseo provides inventive and effective solutions through the development of thermoplastic elastomers and bioplastics, all with exceptional performance. Across a broad spectrum of specific industry sectors, Trinseo is focused on supplying precise solutions for customers with highly exacting standards, pushing the limits and innovating every day. With its comprehensive range of advanced elastomers, Trinseo is a dependable and effective partner to the world's leading companies. Trinseo, where qualities matter.